spectators onto the circuit.
Wow.
Rather than past him, but they're going to do the same towards Paddock. They're one side by side now. Number 11 truck just finds its way through the gravel.
Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something a bit different. We're at Brands Hatch for the truck racing, so come along with us. For them to stay here at Brands Hatch, so 2 20-minute races, but it's this short 15-minute session. So obviously graduated for this season. You'll have to just take them a little while as well. Door-to-door racing, so one to wait around for tomorrow, around about what's going to be 5:10, so not long to wait. Today and tomorrow. Chance of that. That'll be good by the looks of it. Car 144, but with some great brute force from the marshals down there. They should be able to push that car back onto the circuit. Tremendous job as always to our marshals. Great British marshals kept busy this weekend, and with a nice push, that car will now be back onto the tarmac. Rest of the times, third place for number 58 was the car of Rob Warner. He did a 53.351. Fourth place then number 121 was Harry Kramer. His time at 53.432. And British Truck Racing for 2024 is now underway as the power of the big rigs are unleashed down towards Paddock Bend. It's side by side already between the top two. Side by side for third and fourth with Ryan Spin. We'll have the inside line for Paddock Bend for the third time. But can hold it. Can't quite get there. Well, that he holds on, he would have had the inside line for
John Bowler, who went side by side with Michael Oliver off the line, exchanging paperwork on the second line. Racing in second place.
Well, good afternoon, everyone.
Thank you, Orange Army, again. You always do a good job. Thank you, Orange Army.
Within that qualifying section, for first of our races, car championship, which will come on second place, but it's almost 4 wide. It's going to be 3 wide in towards Paddock Bend, and it's going to be the black and orange car with Ryan through our half. That was classic down through Paddock for the first time, Adam.
And I think it was notable as well. Steve determined on the front row 3 got not such a good start. Good start from pole position 4.
Final results if you wish to do so. We'll have more from the Asian Plus Insurance schedule later on. Just 2 races today, I think, for them for tomorrow. Back out with us for about 5:45 this afternoon. We're not going to do any interviews or today, but I'll walk right down to Park Fairmate, and of course with the Letty walking drivers getting it out with the road beyond to another race with the tight timetable we have today. Away towards Paddock Bend for the first time of asking, and it will be Dale Jed who holds the lead of the race, trying to squeeze his way up towards Druid Corner, has now shuffled and quite quickest this morning, sits there in second place.
It is a family weekend, and the youngsters one particularly colourful one is
Hadfield back ahead of Michael Smith, is it? And that has now come to a just at the edge of the ball the first time. It's going to be in about 10th place if he's lucky, but he's lost a lot of position off the start. One wide already. Hopes to find his way to the other side, which he does. But out front, already a battle between Tommy Hewitt, back there, Alan Barney, and a chase for the lead once again. Tommy Hewitt is back out from.
Someone that's content to play the sensible game of what game or by half a lap. I think you've got a caution going into Paddock Hill.
Smith and David Jenkins on the run across the line. So David Jenkins trying to barge his way into the side of Ryan Smith rather than past him, but they're going to do the same towards Paddock Hill. They're run side by side. How quick they go in and brings them together, and it allows the recovery to be done in the safe manner rather than having a red flag in play and things. It's working well because Tommy Wolf has already reversed his truck out of the gravel trap. So with everyone slowing down, he's been allowed the safe space to get out of the gravel trap. Whether it continues or parks it up at least down halfway, he is. Brilliant job.
Very proud of that because they did yesterday.
Sliding from one side of the track to the other, mainly to get past Ryan Smith and also to defend there from John Bowler. So they are pleased to use the unit now, of the man in third place, which is John Martin Wills, who's going to take the lead of the race by the looks of it. So the yellow MGF goes from row number 3 all the way into the lead of the race. Sterling start. Martin Wills has stolen Mark. That is absolutely the good thing is though, he's got a few cars now between himself and the nearest Class F competitor, which is Mark Baker, all the way down there. But at least for now he leads in the championship. First ever car race as well for Josh Anderson has got a very smoky front end. I reckon the bumps are just starting to catch on the wheels. So is that for him retirement? Yes it will be. So what a shame for Josh Anderson.
Ironically, it was him that punted the yellow one, the orange one into there, right?
The recovery team now have to go to work to recover 2 cars.
5 minutes of the race remaining, and the leaders come through now. The gap is gone. They go the gap between the top 2, and it's closing, ever closing. We've got a wave yellow. It's not going anywhere.
And the ZS has gone round as well, avoidance, hasn't it? Yeah, close call there. I think Mountfest is in the gravel trap. He's the one closest to the circuit. He's going to run from the scene now.
Red flag.
But we do have the red flag, don't we?
I'm not surprised. Yeah.
So just like we had earlier on with Simon Kendrick bringing out the red flag, I don't think this race is going to go any further either because almost the same 10th place was our Class A winner, as we said, number 121. Lewis Saunders, so a little bit of a race
awkward.
with a few incidents. Unfortunately, another
the
one
strap
which
come off or broke.
Race to a close with an early red flag.
How tempting would it be to just drive the wrong way around the track?
He gets the best of the jumps down towards Paddock Hill Bend. Ross Alexander unfortunately had to go through all the cement dust on the run down towards the first corner, so just managed slightly into the turn.
So that was a few clips from our day at the truck racing, car racing, pickup racing, everything racing. An amazing day was had, very varied, all sorts of things, all different times.
Good action.
I hope you enjoyed the clips that I put into this video. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Instagram logo is going to go
On my face this time.
on your face this time. But yeah, if you like these videos, feel free to leave in the comments below that you've enjoyed it. If you don't like these videos, feel free to let us know as well. And we will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.